you're saying you had particular patterns, you discovered them through COVID or when you met someone special in your life, all those things came onto the surface. All those patterns were very much in front of your eyes. You were pushed to look into those patterns, and now you are not in your fear, uncertainty, and doubt, but you are working from faith, surrender, and
Trust.
trust. So, what happened between then and now? Were you performing any healings? I already heard about your Vipassana and mantra. Were there some healings? What basically, I have been through that inner work, so I understand what you are saying, but for the viewers, I want to like brought it into more
Hmm.
light. What was that inner work that
Hmm.
took you from the place where you were pushed inside, you were having all those tower moments and questions inside, to a place where you are more stable, pursuing your passion? So, what was in between those two?
In between there was a lot of things happening, and you were part of many of those things as well, Ashika. So what inner work is not just one thing, it's combination of a lot of things, which is like your physical work, a lot of workout, a lot of yoga,
Hmm.
a lot of breath work,
Hmm.
where you are releasing the stuck energy, because what is happening is outside is what is happening in inside. So
Correct.
there's a lot of stuck energies inside you. That's why a lot of patterns are stuck outside you. You go into same loops because you are not working on your body, mind, and soul.
Hmm.
So inner work is a combination of body, mind, and soul, which I started with again Ritu ma'am and Param sir. It was a lot of yogic practices, a lot of kriyas happening, and I won't explain them because that is a particular course.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
people want to go in that or they want to pursue it, when anybody they want to do it.
Hmm.
So and then a lot of healings as well, where you question like whatever your triggers are coming, you have to question your triggers. Like supposedly, let's take a trigger, like you are saying me something, you are saying me that Stuti, you are not looking good. This is what you said to me.
Yeah.
Obviously एज ए ह्यूमन मैं, मेरा रिएक्शन क्या होगा कि यार ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो मेरे को आप, राइट? या फिर ये मैं बोलूंगी कि यार उसने मुझे ऐसे बोल दिया, मुझे बुरा लग गया, वट एवर
Hmm.
दीज टू थ्री थिंग्स इज वट कम टू माइंड, एंड यू विल dwell into those things for 24 hours 38 hours depending upon कि आपकी कितनी कैपेसिटी है उस ट्रिगर को झेलने की. Once I am healed, what will be my reaction to what Yashika is saying, that Stuti, you are not looking good, right? My reaction to this is, I feel I'm beautiful. I feel I'm good. If Yashika is saying something, that does not matter. It is what, maybe she has some wound in her past which is making her feel the same. I am disconnected from that wound. That's it. The trigger which would have taken me 48 hours to 50 hours will take me 30 seconds and I'll be disconnected, because now I am secure inside about how I am looking.
Right,
And
right.
this came in, this is again like I would say this is a doubt, right? अगर हम तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करें, फेथ, अनसर्टेनिटी, डाउट, तो अभी आप एज अ पर्सन मेरे में क्या आ रहा है? सेल्फ डाउट,
Self
कि
doubt.
किसी ने मुझे बोल दिया. लेकिन अब जब मैं ट्रस्ट करती हूँ अपनी, अपने आप को, अपनी इनर वॉइस को, एंड हाउ आई लुक एंड हाउ आई एम सिक्योर्ड, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट गॉड मेड मी, एंड गॉड हैज मेड एवरीवन ब्यूटीफुल. देयर कुड बी फ्लॉज इन मी, बट आई एक्सेप्ट दोज फ्लॉज, एंड मैं उनके लिए अपने आप को वो नहीं कर रही हूँ. लाइक आई एम नॉट सेल्फ sabotaging myself for those flaws, which is okay. I still can be beautiful for some people. Maybe Yashika don't find me
Yeah,
beautiful,
yeah.
but there are people who find me beautiful. And apart from those people, I found myself beautiful, and that's the thing that matters the most, right? So doubt can be converted. Doubt is converted into trust, and that's how the trigger goes away in just 30 seconds,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So that is what inner work does to you.
yeah,
And I would want to give one more example, which is specifically for people who are single
yeah.
like me. In the country like India, you don't stay in India. Like people
But
who
I
are
know.
of, but people specifically who are from 30s to later ages. There are many people who are single in India at 30s now, which was never the case previously.
Yeah.
So people who are in that category of staying single, ठीक है, सबसे पहले उनसे क्या बोलेंगे यार? फियर लाया जाता है उनके मन में कि शादी कर लो, नहीं तो बच्चे नहीं होंगे क्योंकि बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक टिक कर रही है, और तुम्हें बुढ़ापे में कोई नहीं मिलेगा. फियर कि तुम्हें कोई नहीं मिलेगा
अकेले
बिकॉज,
रह
और
जाओगे.
अकेले रह जाओगे. डू यू थिंक दिस इज द राइट प्लेस टू गेट मैरिड टू समवन? नो. The right place should be, do you want a masculine or feminine perspective in your life? Do you want someone be to by your side? Do you want someone to live a life with which is of greater purpose? You two can work together on something which is bigger than kids, or bigger than something.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not saying don't have kids, you can have kids, but there is a bigger purpose, right?
Yeah.
You can do and work together for that purpose, rather than just blaming each other for small petty things कि तूने ये कर दिया, मैंने वो कर दिया, तू ये नहीं करता, मैं वो नहीं करता, मतलब all those stuff which happens
आज
very
बिग बाजार
commonly
में
in marriages.
डिस्काउंट लगा है, चलो शॉपिंग चल.
चलो शॉपिंग कराते हैं, या फिर फॉर दैट मैटर जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग ट्रैवल कर लेते हैं, नॉट
Right.
बिकॉज दैट यू एंजॉय बीइंग इन ईच अदर्स कंपनी एंड साइलेंस, एंड नहीं तो जाके जब फोटो खिंचवा के दो फोटो खिंचा के इंस्टाग्राम पे लगानी है. व्हाट इज योर बिगर पर्पस?
Right.
लाइक nobody is questioning that.
So two examples you have shared here. One is when somebody makes a comment about you, and then you are disconnected from that within 30 seconds. So that's where your experience of healings and inner work stands. So I also had such experience, and my experience goes one step forward. I stopped receiving such incidents in my life as I work on. So the more I work on
Yeah.
myself, the more the frequency of these incidents starts reducing. And when this, even if this happens, you put it in a very right way. Whenever this happens, there is a feeling, okay, I'm not beautiful for you. That's totally fine. I
Okay.
am beautiful for
Yeah.
somebody. I'm beautiful for myself. That's totally fine for me. So I know that is a very, very precious state if you could reach there. Like, not just on the, so there is a very, very thin line difference between feeling that inside and having a pretentious um,
Yeah.
shield that's saying that. So I don't know what your choice is, but when that is from inside, it's very powerful. It's very powerful.
It's
So
very.
if it's pretentious, you would stay into that energy. You will stay with that comment
Hmm.
for a very, very long time. But if it's inside,
Hmm.
yes, you will disconnect with it in less than 30 seconds.
Yeah. But I would want to add, there was a stage where I was pretentious about it as well. So I know that state too, where I'm saying, कि तुम्हें क्या पता है यार, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता. That was ego.
Mhm.
That was my body. Now I'm not saying कि तुम्हें क्या पता है. I can understand that I'm not beautiful for you, which is okay.
Which is
Which is
okay.
completely,
Okay.
which is complete. I can't be liked by everybody. You can't be liked by
Yeah.
everybody,
Yeah.
and which is okay. But there was a pretentious stage too where I would look down on the person.
Yeah.
कि तुम्हें क्या पता है, तुम्हारे को नहीं पता, तुम्हें नहीं पता like how to dress, तुम्हें नहीं पता that how to present yourself. That was ego. So I have been to that stage too. Then coming to this stage where I know maybe it's not for you, but it's for me, it works for me, and I think it's okay.
A
That's
few
fine.
days.
And if there is a genuine feedback, I'll take that too, because that will help me improve. Sorry, you were saying something.
I was sharing a few days before my 5-year-old came and she was telling me that particular boy in my class, he's misbehaving with me. Nobody likes me. He doesn't like me. And then I asked her a question, do you like apple more or bananas more? She said bananas.
Yeah.
I said, then that doesn't make apple any less. You like banana. That's your story, but that doesn't make apple
Amazing.
any less. So from that point
Yeah.
onward, she stopped worrying about people liking her or not liking her.
Yeah.